segment. It just got overhauled, and I'm gonna ride 2 miles down and 2 miles back. You can see what it looks like. Thank me later. No fishing from bridge. And it definitely is 2 miles long. Howdy. 2 miles long. Been down here once today. This is my second trip. I wanted to get a nice little YouTube video. 2 miles down, 2 miles back, and then back to the city park. Didn't say a thing about no drone flying. Thanks for talking me into coming up here today. It's a very cool outing.
I didn't talk you into nothing.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. Did you get any of the boats?
It's got a pretty good view. I'm going to say probably. Oh yeah, I like that one that goes by us. I don't know what it's called, but it's a cool one. .4.
That gentleman from Indiana was real nice.
Yeah, he's coming up. He's waiting for his bicycle.
He's getting a new electric bike.
Yes, he is. I bet he wishes he had it right now. One thing about it, this is pretty cool, free recreation. Nope.
Unless they jump that way.
Oh, good luck with that. I've been weaving back and forth to try to show them the boats.
Cars and beer trucks.
Oh, I gotta get back on my own side.
Yeah, real evil.
Whoop. There's a boat. How's fishing? Gonna have to let out slightly more anchor rope. Two of them, holy smokes, they look like attack helicopters. And then there was helicopters. And that's gonna be crazy. That's what happens when you don't stay in your own lane.
He was waving out the car, did you see?
I did, yeah, I was watching him. Well, there's my thrill for the day. Got buzzed by 2 choppers.
That was pretty cool.
I doubt if they were 100 feet high.
They were camouflaged.
I know, they weren't very tall, I'm telling you. I know they weren't 200.
Well, neighbor used to fly one of them, and he buzzed
there's ospreys down here at the base of the bridge. Guy was taking telephoto shots of them. Yeah, that's our new friend from Indiana. Where did he say he was from? I mean down here, not in Indiana, or didn't he say? Probably Marathon, huh? Wonder if Kevin came over here. He's not very far from this. He was eating. No, Mickelson.
Oh.
He was up at the bar eating crab claws yesterday. I was gonna chime in and tell him he should get fish dip, the smoked fish dip, and the crab dip was to die for. They had track bikes too, hon. Yours is cuter. Yeah. Yeah, that lady had it in 9. I could tell by I was watching her. Probably 9 turbo, huh?
Why would you do that?
Well, speed limit on this bridge is 15, so.
Get exercise.
That's right. We'd rather use the non-turbo setting.
Yeah. I use Eco.
How far do you think we've ridden today?
Maybe 6.5.
We're at 8.7.
That's good.
I know it. We'll be 11 when we get back to the other end of the bridge. I'm not stopping. I'm just going down here, turning around, heading back. Yeah, if you want to pay once you get to the end here,
$15 a head.
15 beans. No discounts for anybody, because I asked them. I said, is that for everybody? Does that include seniors, military, all that stuff? Nope, it's 15 bucks. So there you have it.
I'll go buy lunch with my 15.
That's right, I'll keep my 15 bucks in my pocket. Even though it's probably worth it, I don't want to say it's not. I wonder if you get to snorkel and use the kayaks and all that. I should have asked her. I'm gonna go down and ask her, and then I'll be right back. There's a lady down here. I'm gonna ask her. I'll be right back. I couldn't help myself. I got one more question. Are you a Pigeon Key guy?
Yes, I am.
When you pay the 15 bucks, does that mean you get to snorkel and use the kayaks and stuff, or no?
You can snorkel, but not kayaks.
So them people over there are something completely different than the 15 bucks.
Yeah, that's all private kayaks.
Okay, I was just curious. I didn't know. I wanted to know. I thought that'd be a good bargain. Okay. Okay, so there's the answer to that question. That's something private. Okay, it's something private. You can swim, but they don't provide nothing. And them kayaks are something else. So, without further ado, definitely windier going this way. Definitely windier. Oh, Crystal's kicking it. Kicking it. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's kind of weird how the old one's still there too. Yeah, there's them choppers. Yeah, they're barely above the telephone poles. I knew they weren't very high. It's like being in the open water. Yep. Okay. 0.7 miles. We're not quite halfway back. Where are we going next? Back to the truck?
I don't know. Where do you want to go?
Well, wouldn't mind doing this a third time, but I think I'll pass on that. I just wanted to take pictures. I didn't take any pictures. It's all been video. That's okay though. Don't want to get my legs too stirred up. Halfway point. Halfway. When we get to the end, can we stop and have a drink of water and a snack? Want to go downstairs or stay upstairs? I'd say downstairs. No, let me go first. I'll push it if somebody's coming. Otherwise, I'm just gonna ride it down. Okay. That's true. You don't see whalers with Yamahas on them. Pretty much tell you right there. Howdy. What? Oh, the Indiana guy. Okay. Them light poles are something, ain't they? I'm telling you. Oh, passing on the 7 Mile Bridge. Did you see him? Well, if you're in a hurry, you probably should be somewhere besides the Florida Keys.
On vacation in Indianapolis.
We're almost to the end of our 2 mile thing. Well, 4 mile, I should say.
Try 8.
Right, we did it twice. So today we put in 8 miles on the Pigeon Key Bridge. I wanted to do it 3 times, but I got overruled.
I didn't say a word.
I could tell by your look. Oh, look at all the people. Yep, if you ever want to come up here, don't plan on parking here. We parked at the city park and marina.
Rode our bikes down.
That's right, about 2 miles down, but who cares? Oh, look, they got a path on that side. Okay, that's it. Oh, now there's plenty of parking.
Yeah, they did.
There's 2, 3, 4. Awesome. There's a wheeler. Jeez, how come there what? I guess you got to come up here at lunchtime.